So guys, ito na yung wheel set natin. This is the wheel set that we bought. It's a Dura Ace C60. It's C60 because the width is 60 mm. So it's more aero road wheels. We're here in downtown Toronto. Kukunin natin yung wheel set na binili ko sa marketplace. Dura Ace siya na C60. Binibenta kasi nung seller yung tires niya tsaka yung wheel set. Tara, puntahan natin. Medyo mainit ngayon guys, mainit ngayon. So puntahan natin sila. Para nakatira yata siya sa condo. I think he's living in an apartment. Puntahan natin. Downtown to guys, dito sa Toronto. Bike rin na tayo. Ayun guys, may bike lane sila dito. Friendly ano talaga sila. They are really on the bike. Respect talaga sila. Ito na yung pagkukunan natin siya ng ano. Ito guys, click natin para we can press this one so we can cross the road. We wait for the to become white. Ayan, white na siya, so we can cross the road na.
On the side of your car. What happened?
So ito, kailangan natin ma-press. Eh, okay na pala siya. Pwede natin tumawid. So message natin yung lalaki na we can meet it at downstairs at the lobby. We can message him. Sir, how you doing? Very good. How are you? I'm fine. Okay. This is tires 820.
Yeah, these are, I think these are 30.
So guys, ito na yung wheel set natin. This is the wheel set that we bought. Check natin guys. It's a Dura Ace C60. It's C60 because the width is 60 mm. So it's more aero road wheel set. So we can use it on our Trek Emonda. So it's disc brake, so you can put the disc brake here and the sprocket here. Nice. So we're going to go home, bring this wheel set with us. So So that's very happy for the wheel set, guys. Very happy. So we're going home, bring the wheel set with us, and let's call it a day, and we can install it on our bike. So that's it, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned to my new wheel set. Iba-bike feature ko yung bike, pati yung wheel set. Bike feature it on my next video. See you guys until to the next vlog. Bye.